सर्दियों के महीने में ज़्यादा। ये बायोमास बर्निंग क्या है? ये वही है ना जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड रात को अपना थोड़ा सा वो आग लगा के
The blame game on Delhi's poor air quality continues as Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal allegedly stated that the security guards burning bonfires at night are at fault for the poor air quality. In the past, Kejriwal had said that due to bursting of crackers, the AQI of Delhi had gone down. Also, he had said that stubble burning in Punjab filled the air with smog, while people living in Delhi face respiratory problems. However, the interesting part is that now there is an AAP government led by Bhagwant Mann in Punjab, and it seems now Kejriwal is not willing to blame the poor quality of air for stubble burning in Punjab. Moreover, no steps are being taken by either the Delhi or Punjab government to combat the situation. During the early days of his governance, Kejriwal had blamed the plying of vehicles on the road as the root cause for air pollution in Delhi. He introduced odd-even vehicle rationing to enhance AQI. Unfortunately, the IIT-educated CM failed to find a permanent solution to the problem. Rather than finding a solution to the problem, Kejriwal also found one more excuse for poor air quality in Delhi, and he added that the increased construction activities are responsible for the same. The approach adopted by Kejriwal indicates that there is a long list of false promises, ministers and officials involved in corrupt activities. Delhi government's coffers are filled with lies, deceit and bribes from those who rather see India as a spectator as the rest of the world grows. They would rather choose an appeasing front and debilitate the nation from within.